Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing great and thanks for visiting our channel. In this video, I will explain you about the concept called condition exclusion. This is one small concept available in pricing procedure. So let me explain about the business uses and all. You find this configuration under SPRO, material management, purchasing. In purchasing, go to conditions and define price determination process. Here we have a configuration called define condition exclusion. So I'm going to explain about all the pricing procedure related configuration in this video. Our focus is mainly about what is this function and how can you use in your any business process and what kind of requirements we may get it. I will give you one of the examples from my real time project experience and then you can apply in your project if there is such requirement. So what you are going to do, if several condition records are valid in the price determination process, you must define rules stipulating which conditions are selected and which are disregarded. To do this, use the condition exclusion mechanism. So you can read this entire theory and how you define the condition exclusion groups and all. So let me give you a simple example. Okay, and what cases you can utilize it. So let me open a pricing procedure. Okay, I can directly /n m/08. And once you come to m/08, you can give our take your pricing procedure, select it, go to control data. Once you come to control data, there are few similar things will be there. Let me give an example. Okay, so let us take it. There are maybe this 4. Put it some color. Yeah. So let's take it. These 4 are discounts only. Even surcharges. So these 4 are surcharges, or else these 2 are gross prices. Okay. And the freights also. If you see the freight, you will see the different freight. Same freight also will be there. In this example, let me take it this one like discount per quantity and discount percentage on the net. Due to maintaining condition records, automatically coming those data, 2 condition records. Like condition record is maintained for RC00 and also RA00. Okay. So this one is also maintained. This one also maintained. This one we are going to take these 2 as example. Either condition records are maintained for both, or someone has given manual input of duplicate input of similar condition. In these 2 cases, one must be inactive and one must be active. How to achieve that? That is the use of condition exclusion. Because of human like ignorance or knowledge gap, or else you are going to make it condition records are maintained. Because of that one, system is giving the 2. So during these cases, how to manage? So let us check this one in the configuration so you can understand. I hope the condition exclusion is if someone maintained discount per quantity and discount percentage on the net, 2 are maintained in one PO. During those cases, the business requirement is only one should be considered. And also the business can tell that least amount needs to be considered or maximum amount needs to be considered. Based on those things, we have a different SAP standard options. I hope you understand about the business requirement. So that let's go to the system setup and configuration. So in the configuration wise, So let us clear everything. So configuration wise, we are going to see the condition exclusion. So here we have a three configurations are there. One is define condition exclusion groups, and second one is to your condition exclusion, assign what all the condition types you want to consider. And the next one is assignment of condition exclusion to our calculation schema. Total three configuration. First of all, define condition exclusion. Let me create G02 GP discount. So I'm creating for all the discount related one condition exclusion group. Next, assignment of condition exclusion. So for our condition exclusion group, we need to assign what all the what all condition types comes under here, we need to maintain it. So just now I mentioned, right? What are our discount related conditions? So here you will see everything. So that go to your pricing procedure, copy and copy all the four discounts, all four. So if any of these maintain, system will exclude or system will inactive. System will inactive those other things and it will keep only one condition type as a final one. What is the benefit of this one? Just now I mentioned that by mistake, if someone maintain two type of discount, one is discount per quantity, one is discount percentage on the net, then system will automatically ignore one of them to avoid additional discount. But how to ignore? There are two values are there. So we need to discuss with business. For example, one is $10 discount is coming overall. One is $8. Which one is to consider? If business says that $8 should be considered, the smallest one, then we can select one option. So this is the way how you can do the setup. We created a condition exclusion group. Now we assign what all our condition types to that. The second step is done. Third step, we need to assign to our calculation schema. So what is my calculation schema? GD domestic schema. Go to exclusion and click on new entries. One, what is our condition exclusion group? Okay, this is the one we need to put it our exclusion procedure. So here you can see like best condition between condition types. So between two condition types, what is the best one you wanted to include it? So best condition within the condition type. So for example, someone maintained the same condition type two times. Two times it was maintained. Then which one we need to take it? 8 or 10. So like that. And third one is best condition between two exclusion groups. This is extreme. A very complicated requirement might be using. So between two condition exclusion groups, which one you wanted to consider? Maybe you may create two groups for discount. In that case, we will use it. But I used this number A. Okay, I use number A and also E in my projects. So number A and number L. So option A and option L I used in my project. So what we did best between the two condition types just now mentioned among those the two condition types system will consider one as the best. Okay. So best will be generally the price which has the less price like that. So and then the least favorable will be that one. So we are going to test A and L today. So I'm giving A and the condition exclusion groups. We are not doing any competition between two. We are doing between our one only. Only fill one condition exclusion for those. Okay. Yeah. So what system is telling that only one is enough because you selected the best between condition types. So one is enough. These two can be given when you choose this option between exclusion groups. For example, this one. Yeah, if you select the C or F, you can give the two, but one is enough. So our purpose is to assign our pricing procedure to our condition exclusion groups. We selected the option called the best condition. So let us see the behavior. This is what configuration is done, and we are going to the testing. 21N, and I have most of things defaulted to save my time. Everything automatic. Okay. Price automatically based on the price purchase info record. So let us focus on our setup now. What was the setup? Go to conditions, and we selected the discounts. So discount percentage on net and discount per quantity, RC00. So when we select these two, I'm giving these 5% 2.4, and discount per quantity each liter 1 rupee. So each rupee 1 rupee, then it became 20. So when you select the option A, the best between condition between them, right? So system selected the $20 rupees discount as the best, and the less discount one as a, it just made it like the less discount one as inactive. So the best means here the best word is mainly for the purchaser. So the person, like the company to whom you implemented SAP, for them the best. What is the best? Getting more discount is the best. That's why you can see system automatically inactivate the less discount kind of condition, and this one, the 20 rupees discount one, it has taken as the best. Let us test with another option which is opposite to this. Least favorable between condition types. What is the least favorable? What is least? Less, like for example, between them, what is the least favorable that you are going to take it? Let's take it. I'm going to take 2 INR. See, this is only 2.4, but this one is the highest. So here the least favorable means the more discount one is the least favorable. Okay. For example, least favorable, how can you decide least favorable? When it is giving the lowest discount, that is the least favorable. So if you want to select the least favorable, then the system will give the low discount to you. Okay. So come again, the best means more discount, least means less discount. In similar way for it will be vary between freight, everything. It will be vary. You can test with multiple condition exclusion groups, but mostly the quite popular are A and L. Based on the freight, based on the prices, everything, it will be different. For example, if you see here, I have another condition exclusion group. Okay. See, another one I have least favorable for the gross price. So 2.4 is the price, and I'm giving ZGP X. Okay. So how much I'm giving? Extra price, 3 INR. See, again, least favorable, so that high price was selected. If I give you best, both are best, A and A. What is best for purchaser, least price, more discount. Least price and more discount. See, automatically least price has become the best, and more discount has become the best. So the best is for a purchaser, least price and more discount. So like that, the other options also you can explore. I hope you got a good knowledge in this video, how to handle these exclusion groups. And if someone maintains two different condition types and two condition records for the similar one, discount person and net and all, the business can tell that I want best always. Then system will automatically allocate the best and other one will become inactive. The yellow color icon is showing you the inactive, so that will not be included in your calculation. You can see here 48 minus 20, it became 28. It just excluded, or it didn't consider the 70 rupees and 3.5 discount. I hope you got some knowledge, and if you have any other small topics in pricing procedure, please provide as a comment. So definitely I will cover those videos. Thank you.